What is ISO 50001? ISO 50001 is an international standard for energy management system published by International Organization of Standardization. It manage and improve their energy performance, efficiency and consumption. What is key point about ISO 50001? Means objective. Objective, it reduce energy use, cut cost and decrease greenhouse gas emission. It means it will protect environment and lower the bill of current electricity, so that it would be profitable for both, for human and also industry, because of profit. What is its approach? Its approach is PDCA cycle. Plan, do, check and act. It is applicable in all the ISO standards such as ISO 9001 and ISO 45001 and also ISO 14001. It is applicable in all industries such as commercial, public sector, large scale industry, small scale industry. It is applicable in everywhere. Main focus area: energy policy planning, establishing baseline and energy performance indicator, monitoring, measuring and analyzing of energy use, setting objective, target and action plan for energy efficiency, continuous improvement of energy management. What is benefit of ISO using ISO 50,001? It reduce cost of energy, environment sustainability, compliance, improve reputation of company or competitive advantage. Reduce energy cost means if you are hiring a machine and if the bill of the current is more, then you will not gain so much of profit, and by using ISO 50001 you can cut short the bill of the current used by the machine. Environment sustainability. Sustainability means balance between people, planet and profit. It will lower the carbon emission such as greenhouse gas emission. It will lower it. Compliance means support meeting regulatory and legal energy requirement. Improve reputation. How it will improve reputation? By using sustainability. They will preserve planet, people and also they will gain profit. By that they can improve the reputation of the company. Or competitive advantage: operation cost saving would be there by using energy efficiency, so that they will lower the cost of the energy used and no greenhouse gases would be emitted. It means less amount of greenhouse gases would be emitted, and like that it will be more planet savior, people savior, and they will earn profit also.